let me say something clearly. If you are new to the UK, your biggest financial disadvantage is not your income. It's not your lack of credit history. You could be responsible. You could be earning. You could be doing everything right. And this system still says, we don't know you. Hi, my name is Brimo, former money advisor with Citizen Advice Bureau and Talking Money. This is the FAM podcast. In the last episode, we broke down how the UK credit score system works and why lenders rely on it heavily. But today, we go practical. Yes, because I'm going to show you step by step how to build a strong credit profile in the UK. Even if you are starting from zero, stay with me. I'm about to show you something that will benefit you. Before you build credit, you need to exist in the system. This is where many newcomers get stuck. Start with these basics I'm about to show you right now, okay? Register on the electoral roll if you are eligible. Open a UK bank account. Make sure your address is consistent everywhere, because if your details don't match, the system struggles to track you. Think of it like this. No record means no trust. I don't know you. I don't know who you are, so I don't trust you. Do you understand what I'm trying to say right now? Am I making sense? Okay, to do this, you need to get your first credit card. Now you need your first piece of credit. This is how you start building history. You've got options here, okay? Options include a beginner credit card, a credit card builder card, or sometimes a mobile phone contract. Remember one thing, here is the key you should be aware of. You are not using credit to spend, okay? You are using credit to build trust. So you start small, very small. Don't be too big. Just get like 250 or even 200 on credit card, and let's say they give you a limit of 200. Start from there. Use the credit card the right way, because this is where most people get it wrong. Getting a credit card is easy. Using it correctly is the real skill, okay? Here is the rule. Use less than 30% of your limit. I will explain. If your limit is 1,000, try not to use more than £300 from that card. Even better, keep it lower. Remember, you are not on that credit to spend, is to build. So this tells the lenders you are in control, not dependent on that credit card. Another thing you should put in your mind is pay in full. This is the most important rule when it comes to credit card. Every month, pay your full balance, not the minimum, the full balance. Because when you carry a balance, you pay interest. And when you pay interest, you are going into money problem. And that's not what we encourage here on the Farm Podcast. But when you pay in full, you build trust without paying extra. Am I making sense right now? Set up a direct debit if possible. Remove the chance of missing a payment, because one missed payment can damage your credit score quickly, very fast. It will happen like a speed, even faster than I show speed. Build time, not rush, okay?
In a world where financial stress and mental health struggles seem to go hand in hand, one podcast aims to help you find solace and guidance. The FAM Podcast, navigating you through the tricky waters of personal finance and mental well-being. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to create a healthy relationship with money while nurturing your mental health. Join host Brimo Umoru, a debt to prosperity success story, as he dives deep into financial habits and mental well-being. Discover Brimo's secrets of financial literacy and mental health strategies for coping with financial stress. Get ready for thought-provoking discussions, practical tips, and Brimo's real-life stories of triumph over adversity. Let's embark on a transformative journey together that will change your relationship with money, your state of mind, and ultimately change your life. Tune into the FAM Podcast.
Here is something many people don't like to hear. I will say it here and I've said it before. Building credit takes time. You cannot rush trust. You cannot rush trust. The longer you maintain good behavior, the stronger your profile becomes. That's why your oldest account matter. Time shows consistency, and consistency builds confidence. These are very simple steps you need to take. If you are not responsible, you cannot use credit card. Avoid common mistakes. Let's protect what you are building. Avoid these mistakes I'm going to share with you now, okay? Number one, applying for too many credit cards at once. Maxing out your credit limits, avoid it. Missing payments, avoid it. Closing your oldest account too early, avoid it. These signs make lenders nervous, like this person is too risky. Remember, you are building a reputation, and every action sends a message. Everything you are doing is being monitored. They are watching you. Monitor your credit instead. As they're monitoring you, you monitor your credit. You should always know where you stand. Check your credit reports regularly. Use tools like Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion, or free app that shows your score. Some banks anyway show you your score from their app. This helps you to spot errors, track progress, and stay in control, because what you track improve. Don't be too lazy, okay? What are you doing with your phone? Just log into the platform that shows you your profile, log in there, look any missed payments, and just quickly resolve it. These are simple steps you need to follow to be on the right side. Let me simplify everything. Remember what I'm about to say now. Get into the system. Start with one credit account. Use it lightly. Pay it in full. Be consistent over time. That's it. Simple but powerful. If you follow these steps I just gave you now, you will never have any credit card issues in this country. Building credit in the UK is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Small actions repeated every month build financial trust, and once the system trusts you, doors begin to open. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You'll be able to have testimony, because you will be able to buy a lot of things, better approval, better interest rates, more financial freedom. Who doesn't want that? And that's why we do this here on the Farm Podcast, giving you the information you need to make a better financial decision. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you something most people never learn: how to actually use credit card strategically to earn reward, avoid interest completely, and stay in full control of your money. Because once you understand the system, you don't just survive it, you start to benefit from it. That's the beauty of knowing how the system works here in the UK. If this episode helped you to gain clarity, like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to the Farm Podcast. Share again to someone who's new to the UK, because understanding this early can save years of frustration. As I always say, personal finance is personal, and your mental well-being is priceless. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
The FAM Podcast.